Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. We're gonna do an oil change on the Subaru. Can't really jack up the car from the front with this jack, so I have to go through the pinch weld points there and do one side at a time. This Daytona jack works pretty well, and so do the jack chains. Makes it pretty easy. There's the plug right here. We're gonna put that under there. Shit. Oh fuck. That thing is coming. Let's open this up. Let the air out. Oh fuck. This is coming up too fast. I had to put the oil plug back in. The oil catch was overflowing. I used some grocery store hats to clean up that oil. This was one of the messier oil changes. That product from Harbor Freight wasn't the best. I'll probably make a video on that. This container here is not very good. Would not recommend it. One good thing about Subarus is they got the oil filter right at the top. Makes it very easy to remove and change. Then you gotta rim that oil filter like a margarita. mess. I tried plugging that in, but it still leaked. And once I put it away, it leaked again. Would not store any oil in this canister here. I should have done this when I jacked up the car and was get a better angle so I can pull that lever longer. I don't know why, but I've always used bricks as wheel chocks. Cheap, I guess.
Or on your smartphone using iHeartRadio. We love LA. We love LA. Here we go. It's hour 2, 5 minutes out from Matt Hasselbeck. He'll have great stuff. Sean McDermott has been dismissed by the Buffalo Bills. I said it earlier. John Elway. They moved off Dan Reeves.
That was my weekend project. I appreciate you hanging out.
All-time great quarterback talent. Very good is not good enough.